Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how to seal these edges on my purse. As you can see, they are all rubbed off on both sides and it looks a little bit old. So on today's tutorial I'll be freshening up this purse and this handbag handles. As you can see on these handles, this leather seal has rubbed off on top on both handles. To repair these two items, I'll be using this leather edge seal oil, which looks like that in black colour. And a small paintbrush. First, I'll seal edges on my purse. I'm opening up this leather edge sealing oil, which looks like that. And I'm dipping my paintbrush inside. Also, I'll be using a wet wipe just in case if the paint gets on my fingers or somewhere else. So now I will start applying the seal oil on these edges. So as you can see, I have a small amount on my paintbrush and I'm gently applying a thin layer on these edges like that. And this is how it looks. I'm continuing the same process all along this edge. So this side is done now. Next, I will seal edges on these corners. Also sealing the top, and now I'm sealing this corner. So I can see some cracks on this leather edge. I will seal this edge same way. And I will repeat same on other side. So I have finished sealing all of the leather edges. As you can see, they are all covered. Next, I'm using this wet wipe and I will clean up the overspilled seal around the edges. As you can see there, all around this purse edges. So when the leather seal oil dries, it is not on a leather purse, only on the edges. I have removed all excess seal oil, washed my hands. Also, I washed this wet wipe and my purse is fixed now. All of the edges are wet now with the seal oil all around the edges. So I will leave this purse to dry overnight on this stand there so the table doesn't get dirty. Next, I will seal edges on these handles on this handbag. I will repeat same process like I did on my purse. I'm applying small amount of seal oil on this handle where the frayed edge is, like that. So the first handle is finished now. I'll repeat the same process on other handle. Second handle is finished. Next I'm using same wet wipe and I'm cleaning the leather sealing oil where I have over painted the handle on both sides, both edges. So both items are finished now. I will leave these two items to dry overnight. After I have finished using this leather edge sealing oil, I'm closing the lid up quite tight so this sealing oil doesn't dry out and I can use it again. And I'm using same wet wipe to clean my paintbrush. This is next day. Leather edge seal oil is dry now, and on the right corner you can see a picture before how the edges looked, and this is after. This purse looks like a brand new purse now. It was super easy to fix this purse and it looks amazing. And the handbag handles are same, so they are fixed now, and the picture on the right corner shows how it looked before, and this is after. The handbag handles are fixed. If you have any questions how I sealed the edges on my purse and my handbag handles, please comment down below in a comment box. All of the edges look really smooth, so basically I have given my purse second life, same as to my handbag, and it looks really good. I'm very happy with the result. You can purchase different color sealing oils. If you have a red or brown purse, you can do exactly the same as long the shade of the seal oil is same as your leather. So as soon as you get same match of the seal oil, you can fix any of your leather or foul leather accessories. I will link all materials which I use in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.